Sawa sawa.
Niko na content nataka nirushe huko.
47.
Sawa tutaenda pale tusomee kwa biology.
Jaribu na wasichana hakuna inakuja.
Na ile kina. So hii ni maybe moja sana.
The challenges that we've been facing as a school are teaching subjects or teaching subjects like pre-technical, math and integrated science has been an issue because we don't have most of these teaching resources. And we also don't have a laboratory. So it has been a very big challenge financially and the availability of the resources.
We visit schools, and within the visit schools, we allow learners to interact with our STEM materials. So we visit a county for 5 days, and in each day, we purpose to go to a sub-county. And within a school, we allow learners to interact with our science materials and activities with the intention of helping them develop interest in science and mathematics.